The people, the rice cooker rice and peas bad. You can't just say rice cooker you cook it enough.
Alright everyone, welcome back to our channel.
The Parchment Fam.
Yeah, so today we're gonna do a cooking video here. Today is Sunday, so we're gonna prepare our Sunday dinner.
Yes.
So we're gonna prepare
Fried chicken
and curry chicken with rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
So
some lemonade.
yeah, make some real Jamaican style lemonade. We call it lemonade, but actually lemon is lime we use. So just take you on a journey with me in the kitchen today, you know. So
yeah, man. Just
watch, enjoy the video, and remember, always get exciting. So just watch your whole video, no bother skip nothing. Alright?
Alright people, so they are drinking some tea while see, my husband over here prepare the chicken to cook. You don't know when it done for a man, so we have to drink some tea in the meantime. We can run like a robot and not eat until dinner time, but not me. Right?
Who?
You?
No, you know me a robot. Alright everybody, so right about now we just take out the chicken them out of the package. Right now we just go and wash them off. So I cut up omega curry and pretty much season up my meat with fry and thing, you know. Alright everybody, so right now we take out the chicken them, we separate them. So we have some thigh here. I chop up these right so. And I go curry them. And these are leg drumsticks. I go season them up and fry them. But first, now do no seasoning or nothing yet. What I go do right about now is cut up my meat for curry first. You see me? Yeah people, so see chicken over we are curry. Not a lot, because we don't need a lot today. Get some water upon this now. You see me? So that wash off with water. This is fried chicken, so I'm going to fry up now drumsticks. So I'm going to wash off these. Yeah, so right about now we are get the vinegar, throw some vinegar upon them and wash them off, you know. The assistant are going to work, you know.
You call assistant.
No, you may attack.
You call assistant.
Yeah. So right about now, everybody we are going to blend up with seasoning we use right about now. So we're going to put some scallion. We have scallion, onion. We have with thyme. Onion and scallion. Alright. We have a little piece of ginger. You can put a little piece in there. A little piece of ginger. And we have some garlic. Right. So right now my assistant I go sort out the NutriBullet right about now. You see me? Good job assistant. Me have to go give you a raise. You deserve a raise, me I tell you the truth.
Really?
You work today. Your assistant at work, everybody.
Never did I work the other day them.
Of course. Yeah, so we get when NutriBullet ready and now get the cover for it. Get the cover for it there. We could blend it up here now. So we get a little vinegar put in a hit and some oil. You see me? Moisturize the thing. I don't know water going that too.
Little bit.
You see it. You see I. You see it. Alright, so vinegar over him.
I just feel like say I got overdo it so.
Don't bother come play with me now, but overdo it.
Take her down.
Alright, so little bit of vinegar in that. You know that tangy no people are sour, so you have to be careful with vinegar. Yes. Sprinkle a little oil over him right about now. Oh my moisturize. We're moisturizing the seasoning. So next right about now, pour some water in him, you know. Water. Yeah, so my assistant I go and blend that up for me. Blend up the seasoning. Blend up the seasoning. Blend up the seasoning. Blend up the seasoning. Season a blend up now. Yeah, you don't want it to water neither, you know.
That's the reason why you can't put too much water or vinegar.
Yeah, so we need it just the right texture. You can't make it soft too much, you know. We don't want it too much of a wateriness.
You know, Jamaican style measuring it just chew until you feel like you have enough.
Yeah, we don't use no measuring cup. We just use judgment, you know. Yeah, so right now, see this seasoning, look at the color, rich and green with the greens and things we put in there. Yeah, so sprinkle that over with chicken for seasoning up now. Just it. Put some on the legs, the drumsticks as the Americans would call it. Oh people, I can feel, I feel the fire in my eyes. Yeah, so it's a pity you can't see me eye them now people, but them run water from the spice and the thing from the onion, you know. Fiery. So my assistant can pass me the meat season, please. Assistant, please.
Assistant.
Alright, so don't know. We don't use salt, that was the seasoning we use, so the seasoning already have a lot of salt in there. So if you wonder if we not use salt,
meat sauce.
This no, I can't remember. So
you
when
want this do for the chicken?
I need that for the the paprika for the chicken leg where we go fry. And we have the meat season. I think we're gonna need to open the other meat season, my assistant, please. So we rub up the meat season.
When the world come to, I turn assistant.
Only when we in the kitchen, you know.
I turn assistant.
She only assistant when she in the kitchen, you know. Alright, so people that salt out, you know, for the meat, because we know we don't need no type of salt in our food right about now. We not in the season have salt in it, as I said before. So
need the other meat season? I burn you when you're crying.
yeah people, so right about now, don't know, these get the same type of seasoning. Let me get the same type of seasoning initially, but now we're gonna do the, give them, put them and send them in a separate way. So this is gonna be our fried chicken. So we put some paprika on that. You see me? Oh my people, you can suppose it's a pity you can't smell this, man. Look at that. Don't know the magic seasoning there on it already. Magic. Yeah, so that soak in little until you're ready for dip him in our flour and get him proper, and now we know. You know. Alright, one next thing. Yeah, so my assistant I go send on some curry raw for me right about now. Curry! Oh my, curry! And can you please, we're gonna put sprinkle a little bit of that in the flour, so you can just leave that for now. Alright, so audience, the next thing on my list is, guess what, assistant? Oh, my assistant knows what it is. The curry powder. Yes, so this is what we're gonna curry right now. That chicken, yeah. So loose up the buckle.
You accidentally put it on the other one.
Sprinkle some curry. You don't know why sweet part are coming now. We're gonna rub in the curry now. Watch this. Rub in the curry now. Rub in the curry now. Rub in the curry, a little bit more funny. Rub in the curry now. No, that curry is good. Rub in the curry now, because we have put curry inside the oil. You don't know. I shouldn't tell you yet. I make you see the part there. So, who say, you want more curry pan it? No bother with that. Everybody cook different, you see me? Yes, look at that. Yeah, so them they are go and set. What me I go do right now? I go get organized. Put on my frying pan we go and have to fry my chicken. Put on a frying pan we go and have to curry down my meat, you know? So just stay tuned and watch out for that. Alright everybody, so right about now, pot the pan fire hot. Don't know this I frying pan for me do my curry chicken. And this me I heat up to put some oil and thing to start up my fried chicken. So meat there already. I go for if you go in it, so I get a thing, a container now and put in my flour. Put my flour in and some paprika and thing in the flour for dip, you see me? Yes, right about now everybody. Throw some tip some paprika in the flour right about now. Yeah man, just tip a little bit. We don't have to use it, but I like put it in there. Yeah. Yes, now yeah, so we mix up a little paprika here in the flour. I'll go on hot right about now. So I put in some oil in the frying pan now we go on hot, and then we put in we burn some curry in it, and then we drop in the meat we go and saute and rati and whatever, you know. Yeah. Alright everybody, so right about now you don't know me, I go put in my curry in the oil for go and burn some curry in the oil, you know. Yeah, that good, because we not do a lot of meat. So yeah, burn the curry, and then what we do now, drop in with meat, don't. Meat next a come, you know. See smoke. No worry yourself, man. You know burn up, man. Curry we a burn, you know. I don't know when I go burn up, you know. Frying pan well hot. Yeah, so my assistant bring across the chicken right about now. So I put in few pieces, stir up. You hear that? Fire in a meat wire, you know. See curry a burn on for the chicken, you know. That stick on for him, you know. That can't go nowhere. Oh my, you smell that? Oh. Smell sweet and you know cook it. So just a tip of iceberg, you know. Yeah, so I cover up that people, make it go and generate the own water. And then after that now we are going to throw some water upon it, you know. Yeah. So in the meantime what I might do right now is cut up a couple pieces of carrot to put in it. Because I like when the carrot cook out night, because I don't like the carrot big, you know. Everybody do them thing different. We cut up the carrot in it early so it boil out in it. And also some sweet pepper. Yeah, so we are cut up with sweet pepper, you know. scrape up the carrot too.
When you don't come over, you just put on here.
Yeah, so cut up the carrot here so too. I don't know that I'll cook out my gravy. Yeah, everybody, so you must wonder why I go on my fried chicken pot hot. So what me I go do now? Throw in the oil in it. Yeah. Put enough oil in it because I want the meat fry good. I get enough coverage. I don't like when the meat in the bottom of my pot.
Deep fried.
Yeah, we are deep fried.
So you want the chicken?
No, I know hot yet. We want the oil get. Yeah, I know if we get well hot, you know. Green parchment I go put in the red peas in the pressure cooker now. Pressure the peas. So I am responsible for the meat and she's gonna do the rice now.
It's my special. They're all my specialty. But you can't make rice and peas. I never say make rice and peas.
Of course I can make it, but you never give me opportunity to make
you
it.
want to make it now?
Nope, me didn't make you focus for small things one time. This is a lot already, you know, the meat. Yeah, people say, if you notice I don't wash this as yet because we catch water inside, wash this out and chew it in the pot, you know. Normally we put in a little bit of garlic in the oil too when we fry chicken. So we get a peg of garlic again, bust it and put it in the oil. Sometimes we put a piece of hot pepper in it too, but you don't know my wife can't handle the hot pepper, you know. Alright everybody, so Queen Parchment I go put on the peas right about now. We go on pressure.
Garlic.
Put in our garlic. What else you put in it?
That's it. When you have pressure, you don't need nothing else.
Alright, so your salt and all those things are going after, right?
Afterwards, yeah.
Yeah, so right now as you can see, she sort out the pressure cooker we don't plug in yet. So I guess yeah, go too fast this time. You need to slow down and concentrate.
Oh, please. That's a part process.
So she plug up the.
Keep it plug out.
If you notice, we keep this plug out so your car don't get pretty much damaged from the heat from the stove. Because it's close to the stove and thing, you know. So she's plugging in the pressure cooker now. You hear that beep? That means it's on. What else? What else? Yeah, so she gonna give it.
Which one of them?
Just put it and then make it stay there.
1 hour.
And give it like a time to make it go over. You don't have 20 minutes.
20?
Yeah, it take long. Remember say it take long for hot, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so peas the on the fire here now, you see me? Peas are on here now. Alright everybody, so as you can see right about now, chicken a bubble. Soon throw a little water upon this now. You see me? So what we are going to do, we are going to wash this out, wash out this seasoning. Turn on the pipe very slow so you don't full up too quick. Wash out all the seasoning from half of the edge. You hear that little one that she smelly food, is it? Yeah, so we take off all of that seasoning there. And then we're going to throw him in a pot right about now, you know? See, I'll bubble over now with my garlic, we put in my chicken we fry. Yeah, so that soon start bubble up proper, you know? Yeah, next thing on the list right about now, everybody, is my fried chicken. So you get this oil well hot, you know, a good while me there have here. You probably can't see say. No problem. I say, boy, you're saying for oil the long, not true? Nah, man, it good. The hotter oil, the better, you know. Hotter the buckle, sweeter the victory. Yeah.
Boy.
So the hotter oil, the sweeter fried chicken, you know.
I'm going to show that sweet there.
Yes, no, yeah.
Sure.
So, yeah, people, so as you can see, we are coating chicken in the flour right about now. And we're going to put him in the oil. We go and hear this now. Oh God, oh that sound people, oh it sound, tell me how it sound. Oh look already. Eh? Yeah, so people, so this seems like you can have it 4 chicken leg at once. So now overcrowd the thing that we are gonna put in. So we are putting 4 now and 4 after, you know. 8 piece. Alright everybody, so right about now curry are cooked down. Is it? I'm gonna cook down the right about now. Curry are cooked down and chicken are fried down, you see it? See him there? Chicken are fried down right about now, you know. Alright everybody, so somebody said they need us to go eat something until they don't cook dinner, they still can't stop eating all now.
Oh, I didn't eat anything. I drink some tea and this is the second thing I got to do. I'm hungry. It's after 2 and this is the second thing I got to do.
So enough of that. Right about now we are getting our beef and we are going on the pot. So fried chicken I go on, you know. So come along right there. Oh, now pick up piece, make you see what I go on to eat. Eat this. So come along, you know. Chicken I fry up and thing nice. Yeah. That I fry up. See me have my plate ready if you take them out. I mean, I always put them on a piece of paper towel so you soak up the oil, you know. And also, next thing when I use the same spoon or fork in the same pot, we switch it up. So me I get my curry spoon, check for my curry right over here. Curry I cook down right about now, you know. You see me? See? And next thing again, she still a eat people. She still a eat. Still a eat.
I'm hungry.
You still a eat.
So I've been munch until the food ready.
Yes, so.
Never eat the breakfast.
There now, food soon don't cook and she can't eat. Tell the boy.
Hungry.
Love them belly, you know.
You can't start. Remember, so I still a breastfeed on 1-year-old. Where I run up and down, so.
Yeah, so. Soon go and next up there for the pot again, you know.
Go make the
yeah, man.
Go make the lemonade.
Alright, everybody, so. In the meantime, the chicken I go and fry up, you see. Soon done up and thing. Almost ready to come out by fire, I go and make some lemonade. So by the time I don't make lemonade, I can take out my chicken. So, yeah, my lime right there, so. First thing I do, I wash off them here fast, you know. I rinse off with lime them.
Big and pretty.
Big and juicy. Next thing I do, like squeeze up the lime so the juice release. You know? Squeeze them up.
Rub them all on the counter.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Squeeze up here and make the juice release. Cut off the lime and thing. Squeeze them out, you know? Now if you do no, I don't mean not just this people, if you want to sharpen. Just squeeze the lime juice. Yeah man, so you don't know lime I go in and now continue with the dull knife. As you can see, knife want to sharpen up, you know? Yes. Lime I squeeze out. Squeeze him. Then I squeeze you. Squeeze you. I'm a chitty.
No, sir. What are them I use?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because sometimes they lime are worthless.
Yeah, the lime are not so strong like food lime. Remember back home in Jamaica, you get one lime not even half the size of this and use it. The cup sour like lime. I will put in sugar in it.
I cut it up so like a lime.
What? Alright everybody, I mix up my put in my sugar and mix my lemonade.
I'm gonna get the sugar.
So we need the sugar assistant to come with the sugar very slowly.
Yeah, because assistant a whole camera now.
See the sugar here? And I know some type of people who watch YouTube pinpoint out every little thing. So So if you think it's the same spoon I was using in this things earlier, it's 2 different spoons I use. So this is the one I use to cook the meat, and this is what mix with lemonade.
It no matter you wash it, so you could have even use if you want to.
It's the same spoon we use, alright?
You could have even use if you want to, you wash it.
Now we are going to put in some sugar. Normally we use spoon, but right now,
judgment.
bother with that, you know?
Judgment again, just chew until you feel like it's alright.
There's a lot of lime we use, so. Yeah, we mix out with a little sugar if you know, you know? Because we don't like it too sweet. As you can see, we use some bottled water because we don't drink pipe water, you know? So we are going to stir a little bit now, people, because we can't pull it before we stir in the car. That's true when you stir. Alright, everybody, so as you can see, we make the lemonade done.
You taste it again? Alright.
It's alright, man. We're going to put this in the fridge to go and cool until we don't look at our food, you know?
So it's important to make it before you're done.
Yeah.
You want cool down, so we have to go use ice.
Yes, so that's the lemonade. And I guess you can see we use 6 bottles of water to make it. 2, 4, 5, and 6.
Make sure you recycle it.
Yes, so. Alright, everybody, so you can see curry chicken done, you know. Gravy well thick and nice. Chicken done cook. Carrot them soft and nice. Everything cooked down now, you know. So as you can see, I hit that for curry chicken, so everything almost done, you know. Done when rice come up on the list, and then we give our presentation, we can see what go on, you know. So don't go nowhere, wait. Yeah, everybody, so chicken ready, and now we have to take off the chicken out of the pot, you know, and put it down, you know. So see it there. That favorite chicken fry. So look at that golden nice fried chicken, everyone. KFC want the recipe with this. You see me? So
get back to your lemonade.
Don't move, you know, done it. Alright, everybody, so right now
wash your rice.
Queen Parchment I wash out our rice. We put in a rice cooker to do our thing, you know.
Yeah, man. Turn you know, yeah, man.
So you have to tell the people them say. People them want to know what with your camera where they're cooking now.
I'm hungry, so.
Tell them where I do.
That's it. Me I wash the rice. That's it. Alright, people. So me I go make the coconut milk, a coconut powder we use in the grace one. Me show you. They already throw it out already. This one. You know, we chop. We don't really use the coconut. We don't really grate a coconut. We don't have time for that. You know, we chop the thyme right now. So let's mix this out in the bowl first, and then mix it out.
See that paper look like Lasco, not true?
Looks like Lasco to chew, white Lasco.
But I drink this with whole belly.
You know, you probably can't drink here if you cook it down first.
What coconut milk or something in a ramp with it, man.
Yeah, so
especially pack one, we don't know why not eat, not true?
No, just coconut powder, just the process we go through, I guess. We don't know the process.
Preserve so long sitting in them, man.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, people, so look at that creamy and nice.
Today, a rice cooker we are used to, then people we cannot cheat the system because it's after 3 already, and you know we want to eat the kids them hungry, so we cannot cheat the system. The rice take the piece take about an hour for pressure, and everything and wait for the rice and so at first time we are doing it in the rice cooker still, so I want to see if that will come out the same way like when we do it on the stove. So we are gonna find out today. I put in the scallion and the thyme and everything and just put it in the rice cooker. Let's see when we come out. Hopefully it come out, but anyway come out we are eating today, so it don't really matter food or food. Right. So pack it up. Put it in there. It will boil out still, so it don't matter. Alright. Now you beat it up. You beat up the edge. Right after you beat it up. Put it in here. A little salt. When I say nothing, you normally put salt in a spoon, but you have to have judgment.
We not have to use spoon, we use my hand.
You know, normally put salt in a spoon and then...
Me using a spoon or banana spoon, me use my hand, because next thing I show that I see it shine thing drop out and the whole buckle of turn out and the water one way.
You that you did I say?
Yeah, definitely I go dash ready stay. I go eat bread.
No, so we know that you did I say. That's
no,
a
that
good...
taste. That proper you want more salt. But you don't put butter yet, neither any butter and salt in it.
Yeah, I don't want no more salt. People will keep a little sugar in my rice and peas.
I'm sure that I don't want more water.
I'm putting the rice, let me see if
yeah, so when Queen Parchment put in the rice, then she would know what water to put. Is it?
Yeah man.
So
alright, let's taste this here now. If you pack now. Add little seasoning and mine to it, a little bit. Some people use Maggi.
Flavor him up, you know.
Some people use Maggi and taste the coconut.
Yeah, some people use Maggi, but we not really use, if you don't have that, you can use like a meat seasoning, you know.
Yeah, you know.
Maggi is not mandatory.
Alright. Ready? Now people, we know when they have the rice and peas, they normally do because I season them boil long also, but with the rice cooker you have to put in everything first. You have to put in rice and everything and you know. Maybe add a little bit more water. Just a little bit more. Because you know
good rice man.
Eh?
But you have to put in more water if you count the rice.
That's what I say, I want a little bit more and a little more you want, see it? Yeah, it's a rice cooker, you don't cook like I need it on stove, you know. Ready. So people, we are going to find out today if rice cooker can cook Jamaican rice and peas. And the peas are already cooked and everything already. We already pressure the peas. Plus they have sell peas we cook already too, you know, people. But out some of my processes them, you know, and steps.
Yeah, people, so don't know pressure cooker fire up, you know.
Pressure cooker, rice cooker fire up.
Yeah, rice cooker people, me I say pressure cooker, so
let's see.
pressure cooker fire up.
Yes,
we there wait for the rice to cook. You see me?
Alright.
Yeah, so
stay tuned to see the result of the rice. Alright people, so rice done here now. It's something fly and look at that. It look really nice.
yeah.
Yeah man. I'm gonna stir them up and see. Like where am I going with. Get something to stir it up.
Yeah people, so your rice I get stir up, you know, as you can see. We cooking a rice cooker.
It look nice man. Come out really nice. Come out nice man. That's
yeah,
it.
so people like first we ever do rice and peas in a rice cooker. We normally put on a pot and cook it on the stove, you know?
Yeah, after it after the what you call it? The peas pressure. So we normally just transfer it to another pot and cook it on the stove, but this is really nice. It come out really good. So I'm gonna start doing it, you know, cause like I say, it's always a hit and miss when we make rice and peas with the pot them we have. Sometimes
Yeah,
stick up in the bottom.
stick in the bottom. Yeah people, see rice and peas there.
Alright people.
Ready and now,
So
you know.
you only can cook rice and peas in a rice cooker, but me know the traditional Jamaican people them say no sir, they have to grate them coconut, put it on stove and beer things, but we don't have time for that. Once we get to the end result, that's all that matter.
Yeah, so see the people.
Eat that.
Yeah, so that's about the food we done cook. We're going to put them together now, go on a nice little presentation, you know?
Yeah.
So, don't move. Watch it. Alright everybody, so this is our food as you can see. Rice and peas done cook. Curry chicken. Fried chicken right there, so that's it for Sunday. Then we are share out the food and now I'm making us see we plate, you know?
The people, the rice cooker rice something is bad. You can't just say rice cooker you cook it, you know. I'm really shocked at how it turned out. It tastes really good. And if it tastes you.
Yeah people, so for me it can't go on. Cause I shoot she cooking and when me cook she always say it can't go on. So for me the rice can't go on, you know?
It can't go on.
Me cooking meat, I mean we meat bad. If she not say meat tastes good, then when I say rice tastes good.
Yeah.
So how meat tastes?
It tastes good.
Alright, so your rice tastes good then.
But it tastes the fried chicken there. Bon.
Taste the chicken for how many people, let me see what you think.
No, you want food. Can't go on.
Alright people, so that's the food tasting part. Time for me to go eat my food. Alright.